Listen to the sound of it being sucked out. This one was huge. Just wait for it.